Live Master. An interactive software to learn and master live sound production. Developed by Shyirakera Dieudonné. Live sound engineering is a field of activity where a system of audio devices is used to capture and enhance sound at a live event. A live sound system typically includes sound capture, processing, and output devices that are interconnected to get, process, and distribute sound. The setup and operation of audio equipment is a delicate and sometimes, a complex task. Live sound engineers creatively apply scientific principles to achieve their goals. Therefore, a good live sound engineer should know how audio technologies work and be able to apply this knowledge to create a sound experience that suits the requirements of a live event. The software proposed here, Live Master, is a software for training sound engineers at the theoretical and practical levels. This is an interactive software that allows the learner to gain real practical experience right from a computer. Live Master is structured in two subsystems. First, we have theories with modules that help the user acquire the theoretical knowledge of sound engineering. There are 4 modules: lessons, exercises, formulas, and dictionary. Second, we have hands-on with modules that help the user have hands-on audio equipment. Hands-on has 3 modules: setup and mixing, cabling, and speaker coverage. Let's have a closer look at the various modules. The Lessons module presents to the user various lessons covering a wide range of topics on live sound engineering and audio engineering. This module has a Lessons Explorer that gives the outline of the lessons and helps jump to a desired topic. A Lesson Viewer that displays the content of the opened lesson. An Attachments Explorer that helps browse the illustration files and other useful files contained in the lesson. These can be pictures, audios and videos. And an Attachments Viewer that opens the attached files. The Exercises module presents to the user exercises that would help him or her practice some of the principles taught in a lesson. This module has an Exercises Explorer that gives the list of the various exercises and helps jump to a desired exercise. An Exercise Viewer that displays the selected exercise. An Attachments Explorer that helps browse illustration files, and an Attachments Viewer that opens the attached files. The Formulas module presents to the user formulas that are useful in audio engineering. This module is structured like the Lessons and Exercises modules with a Formulas Explorer, a Formula Viewer, an Attachments Explorer, and an Attachments Viewer. The Dictionary module is a dictionary of sound engineering. It gives the user various audio engineering-related terms and their meaning. Getting to the hands-on part, we have the following modules. The Setup and Mixing module is where the user gets to manipulate audio devices. This module presents to the user audio devices that exist in the real world, and these are fully interactive like their real-life models. These devices can be interconnected, using cables, to allow the signal to flow from one device to another. As at this time, there are 4 devices in the system, namely the Yamaha MGP16X mixing console, the DBX166XS limiter compressor gate, the DBX2231 equalizer, and the Crown M9000i power amplifier. As the user adds these devices to his setup, they are arranged in a 14-rack unit rack. Racks can be added to the setup as the need for more racks arise. At this time, there is one loudspeaker, the JBL STZ825 that can be used in the system. The module simulates the behavior of the sound system as the user manipulates it, and the sound is rendered through the computer loudspeakers, or any audio playback device connected to the computer's phone's output jack. The Cabling module presents the various cables existing in the system, and it allows the user to create his own customized cable. Various types of plugs and cable wires are presented to the user. They can be used to make customized cables. Any of the cables can be used in the Setup and Mixing module. The speaker coverage module gives an estimation of the coverage of a set of loudspeakers in a given simple indoor venue. The user specifies the dimensions of the venue and the stage, and the reverberation time. The venue is then sketched on 3 different 2-dimensional canvases that display the front view, top view, and left view of the venue. The user then can add and position loudspeakers in the sketched venue. The module shows the areas that are covered best by the loudspeakers. Live sound engineering is a challenging field that requires a great understanding and mastering of its principles. It takes time to become a confirmed sound engineer. However, with the appropriate tools, one can get to understand how it all works in a reduced amount of time and at a less cost. LiveMaster was developed with the aim of making learning more practical, and helping the learner develop certain reflexes when it comes to audio engineering. Therefore, a great deal of the development was directed toward the graphical look of the hands-on subsystem. The devices were created to look and feel as much as possible as their real-life model. On the other hand, the simulation of their behavior was given as much importance for the learner to get the same output he would get from the real devices. Further works need to be done to make LiveMaster accessible to the public. Contact me if you are interested in this project. I am Shyirakera Dieudonné, also known as Didos. Thank you for watching.